I look chopped. I look bad, I know, but we're gonna fix that because I'm doing my hair today. Ooh, that was not cute. I'm gonna take that hair out. I'm doing my hair today. I'm gonna just do like this hairstyle again. But like, I'm gonna bring the bun up a little bit higher, not too high, probably like right here. But yeah, so I got my white tooth comb. Oh, whoever's new, make sure you subscribe, like, do whatever, da da da. And yeah, okay, back to the video. So my white tooth comb, my toothbrush, edge brush, my soft brush, whatever, and my hard brush. Pause. Okay, then I got my Murray's Edge Wax, and I got my Eco. Which is one? The coconut one? Yeah, it's the coconut one. Yeah. So I'm finna do my hair. So first, I'm taking the pins out. I look really bad right now. Like, please do not come after me. Okay, so while it's like this, I'm gonna just slick it while it's like this. So, but first, I'm gonna just like, damn. I'm gonna just comb this out. Oh yeah, I have a mirror right here and right here. So if you see me looking over here and over here, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. Okay, now I'm gonna take some Eco. Actually, I use some of this first, but if I really want to slick, I use this first and I use this. But since I'm not really doing anything, I'm gonna just use this. So, but you always gotta put the edge control first. If y'all want to see, I'm just applying it to the back. Can y'all even see? I'm just applying it to the back like that. And then I'm gonna take the hard brush and I'm gonna just do that. And I'm gonna take the soft brush and slick it up. Alright, and if you need to add more gel, which I need to do, then do that. I need to add some on the top so it doesn't get frizzy fast. Now let's do the sides and the front. For the front, I don't really put a lot of gel because I'm already having a lot of edge control from the edges, so I don't really put a lot there. Oops, I got 6 minutes left, and y'all need to see the edges part. So, yikes. All right, everything's good. Now I'm gonna just take out the ponytail and like put it in a different location. Alright, since it's all slicked and I put it in a new location, it probably looks like it's not in a new location, but at this point I really don't care. So yeah, I put it up a little bit more. And now, just if you want to brush it out again, do that. I combed it out again. So all you just do is take the hair, wrap it around. There's different ways you could make a bun, but I'm not doing that for this one. I'm gonna just make a regular bun. So I'm wrapping the hair around. I feel like this bun gonna look retarded. You just gotta mess with it to make it look good. I think I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna fix the side, don't worry. I'm gonna do another bun tutorial, don't worry. This one's just like to fix up my hair real quick. This one's just like a quick bun tutorial, not no baddie slay. I would do that, because I would never make a bun tutorial this fast. Because buns take a lot of time. I gotta make sure it look good. Oh hell, it don't even look. It don't even. Nope. I need more pens. That's why. Is it good now? The top. I'm gonna just let it rock. I wonder if that look good. Yo, my head shape. Okay, let me stop. Okay, yeah. So this is going to be the bun. Now I'm going to do edges. So I'm gonna use the wax. First, I'm gonna brush my edges out. Nah, bro, cause I'm getting tight. Like the camera keep cutting while I'm trying to show y'all how I do my edges, and I'm not finna take off these, cause these two was the most that took the longest, and they keep cutting off because this thing right here has a timer, and I have 2 more minutes to do this, and if I don't cut it before the last second, it's gonna delete. So I have to watch the camera. So y'all see this. I'll do an edge tutorial in another video, but just I'm just pissed right now because, like, I really wanted y'all to see how I did my edges. And, like, the camera wanted to be freaking act dumb. Like, what is you doing, sir? Like, I'm actually trying to make a video for y'all. And it want to be disrespectful. And not show y'all how I do my edges. I'm confused. So yeah, here's this. Should this be a curl? It's not even a curl. I'm not wasting my time on this. I'm gonna just swoop it up. Or here's that. It probably don't look that neat. But basically. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment what should I do for my next video. And I know this bun lopsided. Please do not come after me. I told you it was a quick bun tutorial. Anyways, like, subscribe. Bye.